Come on, Pooch. Come on, Pooch. Come on, baby girl. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Let's take our morning stroll and go down the creek. Come on, let's go down the creek. Now you're going to get your nose nipped by a chipmunk. Come on, Pooch. I'm going to show my backyard from this point of view. This is my backyard from this point of view. I'm going to show you the rest of my backyard. Well, not the rest of it. A good portion of it. Come on, Poochie. You can give viewers just some of my backyard. I don't know if the sun's too bright for you to see that or not. Come on, Pooch. Thank you, babe. There's some more of it. Come on, Pooch, you're gonna end up, a chipmunk's gonna end up nipping your nose. It's gonna end up nipping your snout. And that's not a good thing. You can get rabies from that. Here's way in, way out from, see, there's my balcony. You can't see it because of the leaves. Come on, Pooch. I'm going to let Poochie give you the virtual tour of a portion of the backyard. See, here's some more of it. Some more of the backyard. See that? There's a ball diamond. There's a ball diamond way over there. There goes a squirrel. I didn't point the camera at it soon enough. There's your... That squirrel's always wanting Poochie to chase it, but this squirrel... Let me see if I can get close enough to it. Yeah, Poochie saw it too, and it's trying to run away from me. I think it's been hand fed. Look at that. The shell of a cicada. Look at there. Hello there. I think what the squirrel wants is Poochie to chase it. And Poochie can't climb trees. Poochie is always sticking her nose in tree holes where chipmunks live. And if she gets snipped by a chipmunk, she's going to get rabies, and we don't want that. No. Okay, we're going to go back on your walk, baby. Let's show people. See, above that hill is a creek. I'm going to let her run around the creek bed for a little while. Now we're right behind this park. There's a playground, a pavilion, a basketball court, trails leading to other parks. Come on, Pooch. Well, you don't want to see that. We'll just come up here and let her follow us. Oh, this isn't very shady. Creek bed, isn't it? I hope I can show you the creek. That's as far as we're going to go to the creek today. So I'm going to go back and make a milkshake for breakfast. Come on, Pooch. Come on, Pooch. 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 Poochie. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, Pooch. She gets that. She's a toy poodle. When she gets thistles in her fur, it's very difficult to pull out. Come on, Pooch. 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 Get out. Come on, let's show everybody the creek. Come on, let's see if we can. I can't see the screen what it's looking at, so maybe this will be good to post or not. See, this here's the rest of the creek bed right here. Big tall trees. I don't know tree species. And here's the creek. There's an easier way to get down there. Poochie can't climb down this hill. I can, but I don't want to with the computer. I don't want to end up losing the computer. See, there's the creek bed. Look at all those big old rocks. Okay, come on, Pooch. Let's go back this way. Oh, she found clover to eat. She loves clover. And it doesn't, she don't eat it because she has a bellyache. She eats it because clover is sweet. But it does end up making her sick. So I try to keep her from eating clover. It's not poisonous or anything. Clover's not poisonous. Okay, now here's way down to the creek. Go on, Pooch. Let's see if... Okay. Here's the creek. I'll try to see if we can see the bridge from here. I doubt it. Okay. No, we can't. I could step on those rocks, but I'd end up tripping and stuff. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Let's try to get a picture of that. Okay. I'll see how much of this will be postable. Okay, right there. You see that? Can you see that bridge? Isn't that pretty? Yeah, that goes out to a trail that's over on the other side of those trees. Okay. We're gonna go back to the creek bed. Poochie didn't follow. Poochie! Poochie-Loo! Poochie! There she is. There she is. Hello, Poochie. Hello, Poochie-Loo. Hello. Tell everybody bye. Yeah, look at her go. Look at her go. She's having fun now. Yeah, she's having a good time now. Bless her heart. Bless the doggy's heart. Yeah, she's having fun now. She likes to run around. She likes to run around. Yes, she does. Oh, I'll go get her. I'll go get her. I'll go get her. I'll go get her. Yes, I'll go get her. I'll go get her. Get that doggy. Get that doggy. Yeah. Okay. Tell everybody bye. Say bye, everybody. Say see you next time.